Music Awards 2010 favorite remake is You Should Maraming salamat po. Itong blessings na ito talagang overflow. Thank you, Lord. Of course, maraming salamat po sa Mix Awards. Popster! Maraming salamat, Popsters. And of course, to Viva Records, to my manager, Mr. Victor Rosario.